Hello, my name is Martin and I'm a teacher of English as a second language. In this video, I would like to talk about some of the games that I insert into my classes. I find games to be a really good way to review the material that we've been working on during the class. Games are great ways to build and drill material from previous classes just to keep things fresh and to give the student a lot of practice. And games are fun. They take the tedium out of lessons. My classes are not all games by any means, but I do like to insert games when the lesson material might be a little bit heavy and difficult, need to break things up and have a bit of fun. I'll play a game at the end of class if there's some time remaining in our lesson period. Or sometimes I just like to reward a student with a game if they've been doing excellent work and really participating and practicing well in class. So, on with the games. A game I like to play that's very simple and easy to understand is called Show Me. And students can figure out the rules of the game very easily. With younger students, learners that are just beginning with the language, I can start with simple, practical vocabulary and ideas such as, what is this? It's a banana, right. What color is it? Yellow. Excellent. Can you show me something yellow? Or maybe shapes. What is this? Yes, it's an apple. What shape is the apple? Round, that's right. Can you show me something round? Or I'm staying with fruit. What are these? Grapes, yes. Grapes are small, small. Can you show me something small? With older students, I can practice more abstract concepts, like, what's this? A fork. What do we use a fork for? To eat. Yes. Can you show me something you use to eat? Or, I have a can of soda. I like soda. Soda is yummy. Can you show me something yummy? Or soda is, wet. Can you show me something wet? What is this? A shirt. Yes, I wear a shirt. Can you show me something you wear? Even more abstract. What is this? It's a plant. It's alive. It's living. Can you show me something alive? So that's the Show Me game. It's simple, but it's good practice for vocabulary and ideas and concepts. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please let me know with a like or a heart. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to respond. Good luck with your English lessons.